Let us understand what is IronPython. It is an implementation of Python in .NET platform. From the figure we see that IronPython engine converts the Python code into intermediate language bytecode. This bytecode can access both Python and .NET Framework libraries and run on common language runtime of the .NET Framework. From code execution aspect, IronPython is an interpreted language, that is, the code is executed line by line, making it a dynamic programming language. Nowadays, commercial softwares are providing scripting language support, and IronPython is the first choice since it has .NET Framework support. So learning IronPython will also allow the users to create programs to automate any process or activity to increase productivity. IronPython scripts are executed by the compiler, also known as interpreter. We can access the interpreter by using IronPython console. Using the IronPython compiler, we can generate .NET assemblies or executable files from IronPython source files. Using the console, we can only test small code fragments, but to write applications, we have to write code in separate files called scripts and run these scripts in the console. IronPython being a dynamic programming language, it is necessary to understand the difference between dynamic and static programming languages. In static programming languages such as C#, we need to declare variables and objects early to use them in the code, and the compiler compiles and runs the code. The compiler checks that each object and variables are specifically defined as per the rules, otherwise the compilation fails. Whereas in dynamic programming languages, there is no need to declare objects or variables upfront. The interpreter executes the code line by line and decides the data type of each variable or method of the object at runtime. This gives dynamic languages the flexibility to be used as scripting languages.